Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 15 Plus 128 gigabyte, and you can see the battery capacity is 99% and the size on 195. And also this is unlocked one, and this is LL version, means this is a US version. So this is a beautiful blue color, and you can see no scratch here, no scratches here. Okay, no scratches. The beautiful machine. Okay, let me show you the display. You can see the screen, no scratch, only some fingerprint. Okay, no problem, no scratches. And let me show you the battery information. You can see the battery capacity is 99% and cycle count 195. And let me show you the cell phone information, and you can see the model number iPhone 15 Plus and the LL version or US version and 128 gigabyte. Okay, this means unlocked. You can use the eSIM. Okay, because this is a US version. Okay, here is some uh, a little bit dirty, but not a scratch. Okay, you can see no problem on the screen. And if you want to buy, you can contact me, and you can see a lot of different model in this store. Okay, this is the iPhone 15 Plus 128. Okay, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the iPhone and the MacBook. Okay, see you in the next video.